If your microwave is running but not heating, don't worry. We will walk through every possible reason behind the problem. From simple checks to advanced high-voltage components, this video is designed for technicians, students, and home users. First, verify the power supply. Low voltage can prevent the magnetron from heating. Visual, multimeter showing 220, 240V. 1.2, check the cooking mode. VO, make sure the microwave is not on defrost or timer-only mode. It must be on a heating mode. 1.3, check the door closure. VO, if the door isn't fully closed, heating will never turn on. The door switches prevent operation. A microwave can generate up to 4,000 volts. The capacitor inside can be deadly even after the microwave is unplugged. Always follow safety rules. When working on high-voltage appliances, multimeter, screwdrivers, insulated gloves, clamp meter, high-voltage probe optional. These tools will help you test each component safely and correctly. The microwave uses 3 door switches: primary switch, secondary switch, monitor switch. If any one of them fails, the microwave will run but produce no heat. Visual, continuity test in multimeter bad, switch shows no beep. If the microwave overheats, the thermal fuse opens and completely stops heating. Multimeter open line, reading equals. Fuse is blown. Symptoms: no heat, low heat, strange buzzing sound. The high voltage diode rarely tests correctly with a normal meter unless it has a strong diode mode. If the diode fails, the magnetron won't get enough DC voltage. Diode test forward versus reverse side infinite reading. A weak or shorted capacitor will stop the heating cycle. Always discharge the capacitor before testing. Capacitor discharge spark meter reading showing microfarads. Symptoms: humming noise, burning smell, no heating. If the transformer secondary winding burns out, the magnetron will never receive high voltage. No heat, food stays cold, clicking sounds, burning smell. The magnetron is the heart of the heating system. A damaged filament or burnt casing means the magnetron must be replaced. Meter showing 0.2 to 0.3 ohms filament resistance. If the cooling fan doesn't move enough air, the magnetron overheats and the safety thermostat cuts off heating. Faulty diode replaced microwave starts heating, temperature graph rises. Here we replaced a failed high voltage diode and the heating returned to normal. Now you understand all major causes of a microwave not heating. If you want more 3D appliance repair animations and step-by-step guides, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.